when you do the volley, first you need to have this continental grip. Imagine you have the hammer, okay, here. And then when you do the split step, here, okay, on your toes, not here. And then split step, 1. And you do this first step in that direction. You are here, split step, a large base here, okay. So when you do the split step, this large base here. And then the first step is always to the side. Power is on this leg. And when you play, the racket is in front of you because you rotate your shoulders. And then you go. Okay, is normally you see me, we do this and this, because we play for many years. Beginners need to make sure. Just a short break to say that 2 days ago we just reached our first 100,000 subscribers and followers across platforms, and today, exactly today, Wednesday, 30th of July, we just reached our first 40,000 subscribers here on YouTube, so thanks for that, and also thanks for joining my second part of the course. Most of you that are joining are the ones that finished the first part and now are doing the second, and I'm happy because my second course, the top spin and the open stance and mindset, is the best product I have. So full of tips, full of drills, and it's gonna help you a lot. You don't need a coach, you don't need a partner, so it's really the best product, and I'll be happy because I'm happy because more feedbacks are gonna come, and hopefully you can continue to grow and continue to spread this message and this tennis change over the world, and hopefully I can help you also play better tennis. The racket is in front of them, okay, and then block the ball and go with the body weight against the ball, and in the end, imagine you are praying and you answer the phone like this, 1-1-3, okay, so the ball is coming, one step and go. And catch the racket. For your backhand volley is exactly the same in your forehand volley. You need to do also the split step on your toes, okay, to react. And the racket is here. You hold it with continental grip. This hand is 1-1-3, and you hold it like that in front of you. Maybe no, at nose height here. And once you realize the ball is on this side, you rotate your shoulders and you keep the head of the racket in front of you. You see us, me, or any other professional. We do sometimes this, and we play. But we are here many times, as in your forehand, I already explained to you. In your beginning, you need to focus on keeping the racket in front of you with distance between your body and the racket, okay? Even if you go with the left hand, you see this distance here. And then from here, you do 1. This step is always moving to the side. Split step, 1 step to the side, racket in front of you, and at the same time you play, you contact with the ball. And this hand goes back at the same time you play. So you do 1 after the split step on your toes, 1 to the side. Power is on this leg, racket is in front of you, and when you contact with the ball, you contact this, the head of the racket goes forward, and this hand goes back, and you put your body weight against the ball. Split step, and go. This is the priority again. On your volley, like the return of serve, your wrist is firm. It's not so relaxed as you do forehand and backhand. Is relaxed, so you need to do the split step, keep the wrist firm, and always block the ball. In the beginning, when you use continental grip, this grip here, for the ball, it's going to be unnatural for you to rotate the wrist. Just open, rotate your shoulders, and rotate your shoulders. Here is more natural, but rotate your shoulders and then rotate a little bit your wrist here. You need to have the racket facing to the ball, and then you go against the ball with your body weight. Don't forget, these are the basics for the volley, and if you follow this, you will get a really good volley. And the most important thing is to have reaction, to do the split step a little bit before your opponent hits the ball. By the way, 85% of you are still not subscribed, so first I want to say thank you for watching this video, and second, if you like and if you want to watch more content like that, subscribe. We are trying to reach the silver play button, 100,000 subscribers, so join our community. And now let's get back to our video. About the smash is the same grip, okay? And once you see the ball coming, you need to do this trophy position. You are here, head of the racket up, okay, pointing to the side here. You are here, waiting for the volley, ball is coming, you do this, you rotate, okay, the elbow up. You need always to have the elbow up, then racket on your back, and just focus then from here. This hand is always under the ball, so if the ball falls, it's going to fall on your ball, and you cannot do this to catch the ball. You cannot do this to catch the ball. You need to keep your hand and always try to find the ball with your legs. Always try to find with your legs. That's the basic. And then when you have one here, racket on your back, elbow up, and then you just do I5 and finish on your pocket like that. The same way you are holding the volley is the same way you finish, and then you are ready for the volley. So this is quite simple. Just remember the pattern. You are waiting 1-1-3, racket up, on your back, I5, and finish. One important note is forget about pronations when you are beginning. Just focus on head of the racket up, okay, seeing the ball from this side instead of this. So you are trying to find the ball from this side. Hand is under the ball. Always you find the ball with your legs. You always try to find the ball with your legs. And then just focus on doing I5 with the head of the racket straight and finish on your pocket. If you focus on pronations, it's really difficult in the beginning. You will not get the feeling, you're gonna miss. And the easiest way is to start I5 and finish and then progress to do a little bit of slice. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now you can watch this one to keep learning and to keep improving your game. Thank you for watching.